Hi guys, I'm Afraz and I'm back with another dessert recipe on Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today I'll be showing you how to make the silkiest panna cotta, but not the regular one. I'm going to infuse the flavor of basil in it. So let's get going. So first I'm going to bloom the gelatin, for which I'm going to take a bowl, add the water first. So let's sprinkle the gelatin now. So I'm going to set this aside until it is fully bloomed, and here I'm going to heat up a pan to which I'll add cream. So we're going to take cream, we're going to cook it with some flavor and set it with the help of gelatin. And now I'm going to add sugar for sweetness, and now I'm going to add a vanilla pod. So let's cut this from the center. So nice lovely pods of vanilla going into the cream mixture, and with that I'm going to add basil leaves. So nice fresh basil leaf. I'm going to mix all this well and let this cook for around 2 minutes until all the flavors are nicely infused with the cream. Lovely aroma of basil. And now it's time to add the bloom gelatin. So this is done, and now let's strain the mixture because we don't want the basil leaves to come in our mouth. We just want the flavor. So this is done. Over here I have 2 molds. So let's pour this mixture. Done. Let's transfer this onto a plate, and now this will go in the refrigerator to set. The panna cotta is perfectly set, and there you have the silkiest and the sexiest dessert of the world. Spread the joy of Britannia Dessert Carnival by liking and sharing this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more such attractive dessert recipes.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.